Good morning, Jay here with Bikes Kill Cancer, and I am down in the Unicorn Studios, which you probably realize is actually just my basement. So sort of the whole Wayne's World thing going on here. And first of all, huge shout out to everyone who has donated for the ride that I am doing to the top of Mount Evans and back later in the month of July. That money is going to the Fred Hutch Cancer Center out in Seattle, Washington. This is part of their OvejaNegraPromo event to raise money not only for cancer research this year, but also COVID-19 research. Super excited to be part of that. Huge shout out to my buddy David at Cascade Cyclist, who gave me the heads up about this event and asked me to participate. Very, very excited. We have already met our goal. As you can tell by the unicorn meter here, we have exceeded our $2,000 goal. So thank you to all of our donors. And the next part of this is really talking about some of the sponsors that we have lined up so that we can hold a great raffle. If you were or are a donor, or if you would like to be a donor, you'll be entered into our raffle. And the next couple of weeks, we're going to be just highlighting some of these incredible sponsors. And I'm going to start with one of my favorite. I think this company's a Colorado icon, especially if you are a bike packer. You are probably very familiar with OvejaNegra out of Salida, Colorado. They make this just incredible gear for bike packing. So if you're not familiar with bike packing, that is when you load up your bike with gear in different bags and packs, much like you would for a backpack, and you head out onto your local favorite dirt trails or dirt roads and explore. Spend a couple nights out in the wilderness, great stuff. And OvejaNegra makes some of the best packs out there. They signed on quite early and they've been a supporter of Bikes Kill Cancer for quite some time. They, out of the blue, contacted me and ordered about $50 worth of the fundraising stickers that we did earlier this year. And we're super generous in terms of being the first company to step up to provide some sponsorship for my raffle for the OvejaNegra. This is what I've got here in front of me from OvejaNegra is their snack pack and a water bottle and a hat. This is all going to be one package from OvejaNegra. We're going to go out to the stable, the Unicorn stable, where we keep our trusty steeds in just a little bit to look at some of these packs on some of our bikes. But I just want to give, again, a huge shout out to OvejaNegra. And again, they're part of our raffles, and we'll be doing that at the end of July. Haven't decided yet, maybe before the ride, maybe after the ride. You'll just have to stay tuned. Keep following us here on our channel as well as on Instagram, and we'll keep you up to date as we bring on more sponsors and as we highlight more sponsors. Again, thank you everyone who has taken the time to donate. Your generosity has been overwhelming. And if you are still interested in donating, you can go to Bikes Kill Cancer on Instagram, and there's a link right there to the Fred Hutch OvejaNegra donation page. All the money, every single penny of that money goes straight to cancer and COVID research. And I just, again, really appreciate it. And we'll see you out there on the bike. Take care. Good morning. Just wanted to bring you out here to the Bikes Kill Cancer stable to show you firsthand how much we love the OvejaNegra packs. You can see this is my wife's bike. She's got the snack pack right there on the top tube. Her meal of choice on the bike is jelly beans, and I bet if we took a look inside, we might find some left over. Oh, there they are. Jelly beans left over from last time. Starburst flavor, in case you're curious. And look at that. Nice bright orange pack on that green bike. Looks really, really cool. Let's go on over here. Check out my bike. This is my bike packing bike. Be riding it on the Colorado Trail this summer from Durango all the way back here to Bikes Kill Cancer worldwide headquarters here in Denver, Colorado. Look at that, nice bright blue snack pack. I don't think I have any snacks in mine, just a multi-tool. I will definitely be filling that full of snacks while on the Colorado Trail. So just, let you know that we love the OvejaNegra packs. Especially this snack pack, super easy to get in and out of. And we'll be raffling that off later in the month. So we're looking forward to having you join us for our live raffle. Take care and thank you much.